Boys and girls, today we're going to be creating a graph. A graph is a visual representation that gives us helpful information. Each of you has told me how you're going to go home today, and we're going to use these picture cards to create the graph so that we can keep it in our classroom for the remainder of the week. Very good. Now, I'm going to go ahead and collect all the cards. Okay, but we're not going to sort them yet, all right, because we're going to be sorting them using a technique called Think Aloud. Very good. Now that I have all your cards, now the first thing I'm going to have to do is sort them. Since I have pictures of a bus, a car, and some feet, I know I have to sort my cards into 3 categories or groups. So let's go ahead and sort them together. Okay, here are the cards for the bus, here are the cards for the car, and here are the cards for the feet. Now that's 3 categories. Very good. Now that my cards are sorted, I can place them on my graph. Now, when I look at my graph, I see the graph that's labeled as a bus rider, a car rider, and walker. So that way I'll know where my pictures will go. I know that my pictures of the bus will go to the bus riders column. I know that I'm going to put them there. Now, here are the pictures of the car riders. Where will I put those pictures? That's right, in the column that's called car riders. And what about the walkers? That's right, they're going to go in the column where it has the picture of the walkers. Now that I have all my cards in the right rows, I need to check to see how many of you will be going home each way. Now to do this, I'm going to count the number of buses first. Okay, I know that there are 3 bus riders because I have 3 buses on my graph. Okay, now let's do the car riders. I know that there are 7 car riders because I have 7 cars on my graph. Very good. Now let's count the feet. Let's see who the walkers are. Very good. I know I have 2 walkers because I have 2 on my graph. Very good. Now go on. Let's extend this even further. Which column represents the most? Which column has the most? Very good. Which column has the least? How many more buses are there than car riders? How many walkers have fewer than buses? Very good. That is the lesson for today, boys and girls. We will continue practicing doing these graphs for the remainder of the week.